Oh, okay. Oh, my stomach's growling.
He's got a Russian rat in his stomach trying to kill him. Get him down.
What?
Get out of there, you Russian bastard.
I'm just hungry.
What?
Probably not. But there might be one in my stomach. I should grab lunch.
Oh, what can I get you?
Nothing, thanks. It might just disappear again. I'd much rather write a story about speedy sweets than disappearing treats. Although, I do need to make a little lunch disappear first.
See ya!
Was all of this a prank? I won't tolerate it anymore! Where are you going, children? Show yourselves!
Wow, that was pretty close.
Yeah, but it made me hungry.
I know a place full of candy. It's
Really?
marked in the map.
What are we waiting for then, player?
Yeah.
Let's get going before hunger kills me, dude. We don't have time to lose. Get it right now, my friend. I don't want to die.
I don't really care.
Bro, I'm hungry. You gonna have to wait. I'm not hungry right now. I don't care. I'm hungry. Don't make me do what I need to do. I'm doing a test right now. You gotta wait. I will do it. No, please. Miss Smith. I'm sorry, teacher. That was my stomach. Well, get your stomach in check. Okay, okay. Shut up. Shut up? Miss Smith, what did I just say? I'm sorry, teacher. It's got a mind of its own. I understand, but get it. I want food now. You know what, Miss Smith? Here. Take my money and go buy you a frickin' Snickers. Old friend.
I need that food. Because I'm starving. Squirtle!
Treehouse.
Ooh, Marvin, I'm starting to get hungry. What do you want to eat for?
Voice sounds completely fine. No, Mom, I'm being serious. It was bad. And the teacher got mad at me. You're just trying to get out of school and get your little sis in trouble.
Chicken?
Yeah, man, because you wouldn't buy me anything else.
Black Yoshi, you're gonna get sick.
Mario, I'm not gonna get sick. Oh, Mario, I don't feel so good.
Exactly, Black Yoshi, because you ate moldy chicken.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Great, keep up. Sorry, I think it's all my carbs weighing me down. But don't worry, it's not like he can get up.
You will get my money.
How many patties did you sell?
None?
What in the name of all that's greasy have you been doing all day? You're going right back out there until you sell a penny! Sorry, boys. I'm a little hangry.
Guess my stomach's thinking about other things.
Since the sun's gone down already, come on over to my place and eat.
Wow, I'm really hungry. What's a restaurant doing in the middle of the forest? Oh, I don't know, but my stomach sure is happy we found it.
That sounded just like Ash.
Yeah, except...
Hey, are you hungry? What should I feed you?